Navigating official paperwork can feel like a labyrinth, but today, we're demystifying how to get your essential income and residence certificates. These certificates are vital for countless administrative and legal purposes. From school admissions to applying for various government schemes, they essentially prove the key things: your financial standing and where you officially live. To begin, you'll need to gather specific documents for proof of residence. Think utility bills such as electricity, water, or gas statements in your name. A valid rental agreement or lease, or even a property ownership deed will also work crucially. These documents should clearly display your name and current address. Next, for the income certificate, your employer will usually provide a salary certificate or a letter stating your income. If you're self-employed, you might need to provide your latest income tax return acknowledgement or audited financial statements. Bank statements showing regular income deposits can also be supplementary evidence. Once your documents are ready, the next step is to identify the correct issuing authority. This is often your local tehsildar office, an administrative subdivision, or a designated citizen service center. A quick online search for income and residence certificate issuing authority, your city, state should point you in the right direction. At the office, you'll typically be given an application form. Fill this out accurately and completely. Ensure all details match your supporting documents. Attach photocopies of all your collected evidence as required. Submit the completed application form and supporting documents to the designated counter or official. You might be asked to pay a nominal fee at this stage, so have some cash or a payment card ready. After submission, you'll be given an acknowledgement receipt with a reference number. Keep this safe. The processing time can vary, but it typically takes a few working days. You can often track the application status online using your reference number. And there you have it. Once approved, you can collect your official income and residence certificates. These documents are your official keys to unlocking various opportunities. Remember to always check the specific requirements of your local authority, as minor variations can occur.